Meet Miss Lee, an experienced, detail-oriented lawyer known for the extensive research for all her cases. Detailed analysis of evidence reports, correct application of the law, and drafting court submissions with legal precedents help her win the most difficult cases. Traditional ways of reading through case histories, document briefs, court transcripts, and legal precedents are laborious and time-consuming. This causes burnout, decreases the counsel's efficiency, and impacts her ability to provide the best legal advice and case defense. Practice and document management systems have a limited role in regard to case-based research and analysis. Ms. Lee is therefore exploring legal text summarization using Trigent AXLR8 Labs for GenAI. The Trigent solution combines pre-trained legal-specific models with natural language processing for legal documents. This technology helps Ms. Lee to process unstructured data from court transcripts, case files, lawyer notes, document management systems, and legal precedents. Trigent's solution helps extract key information from documents, classifies key entities such as individuals, organizations, dates, and legal terms, and condenses lengthy legal documents into concise and easily understandable summaries. The summary includes hidden trends, patterns, correlations across different legal databases, effective deposition questions, and arguments to make before the court. To incorporate GenAI usage into the existing workflow, Trigent AXLR8 Labs Product Studio offers UX design and web and mobile app development that delivers a fluid customer experience. Ms. Lee can further use the interactive interface for contextual questions and audio queries that help her arrive at key conclusions. With Trigent AXLR8 Labs for GenAI, Ms. Lee spends less time buried in paperwork and more time with her clients. She quickly generates case summaries, parses through research material, assesses strategies, and prepares the right legal arguments. Ms. Lee is able to reduce fatigue and develop stronger relationships with her clients. Trigent AXLR8 Labs for GenAI. Elevate your legal practice.